quick room tour. This is our washroom. Sorry, I'm wearing my bathrobe because I have to take shower and then I have to sleep because it's already 1:30 according to India, and यहाँ पर हुआ है I think 10:30 or 11. So yeah, pretty simple washroom. This side is the shower area, and yeah, it's normal. And then hi, it's a full-length mirror, and this bathroom is too big for me. Oh my god. So this is the bedroom. We have twin beds, but I'm staying alone. Here I have kept my things. I'll show you the window view. Okay, how to open this? I'm supposed to open this. Wow. Look at those cars. Nice. By the way, I'm on the 9th floor. It's such a big hotel. Nice. Hi, good morning. Sorry, I just got ready क्योंकि हम लोग को अभी breakfast के लिए जाना है और breakfast पे we all are meeting again. My whole crew, including captains, उन्होंने रात को बता दिया था कि buffet का timing ये है, so we'll meet. After that, we have a plan to go out. हमने कल थोड़ा सी itinerary बनाई थी कि where we want to go. So yeah, let's see. We want to see the coronation and then floating mosque, and yeah, that's all. नहीं देख पाएंगे because we have to come back और रात को हमारी 1 बजे का departure है, so we have to get ready around 10:30 and leave 11 or 12, something like that. One of our colleagues, yes, went for Umrah. She was so happy. Whole flight she was thinking like, okay, I have to go for the Umrah. It's her first time. She's gone to Mecca. She won't be with us. She'll come around I think 1 or 2 in the afternoon. वो रात में गई थी and she said it takes a lot of time to do Umrah. So we were all very excited. Yeah, let's go for the breakfast. I was looking this way और ये खुल यहाँ से गया. Okay. Okay, I think it's which floor? L1, I think. I think it's into. I think I'm on the wrong floor. I think I'm on the wrong floor. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. It's into. You can listen to the music as well. What's happening? It's not opening. I don't know where to go. I'm lost. I'm actually lost. I don't know where to go. I'm waiting for the lift. Oh my god. Hi, I'm back from the breakfast buffet. हम लोग इतना busy हो गए वहाँ पे, इतना ज़्यादा बात करने लगे कि मुझे भूल गया बिल्कुल भी shoot करना, so I'm sorry. But now I'm all set, ready to go out. I'm wearing this loose t-shirt kind of thingy with my white palazzos. I'm wearing my sneakers. First I thought कि मैं flats पहन के जाऊँगी, but then it's too hot outside. I don't want to get tan, so I'm wearing these shoes. I'm carrying this cute little bag. Yeah, that's all. I'm carrying white dupatta. हमने कल रिसेप्शन पे पूछा था कि is it okay if we do not wear any head cover? They said yes, it is okay, but still we are carrying it to be on the safer side. So first we are going to Mall of Arabia, Coronation, and then we have to see, as I've told you, see the floating mosque. What's up? And yeah, that's all. That's the plan. So yeah, let's go. See ya. Oh my god. My favorite. I reached back to the hotel. It was such a tiring day. I did lots of shopping. Lots of shopping. I'll show you quickly what all things I bought. The first thing I can see is that I bought these facial wipes. I bought these because they are very small and very compact. और मेरे को wet wipes हमेशा अपने bags में चाहिए होते हैं. I cannot carry a big packet, so I bought these because they're very small, very compact, and they have like 7 sheets in per bag, and we have 8 packs, so it was quite affordable. So I bought this. I think these are for 12 Saudi riyals. So I bought this. Then we went to Sephora. From Sephora, I bought Super Goof ka glow oil. It's really good, and actually it has a wide spectrum and 50 PA triple plus. So I bought it because any which ways I use sunscreen under my foundation, I'll use this from now onwards. And I have heard really good reviews about this product, so I bought it. I bought this Fenty Skin ka lip balm because my lip balm khatam ho gaye the, so I bought these. They were available in the pack of 2. I bought these. I'll show you. And oh my god, look at the packaging. They're so cute. This is the pink one. Actually, and oh my god, look at this. This is so beautiful. And that's why actually I bought this. So you can open from the top, like it's a twist, and then you have to twist it from the bottom, and you will get the product out. Oh my god, this is so cute. And these lip balm called Push Pudding, and they're really cute. Then we got this perfume ka sample. It's really good. लेकिन मैंने खरीदा नहीं because I don't like oud और बहुत ज़्यादा Arabic fragrances. Oh, this is my favorite. I went to Zara Homes and I felt so overwhelmed because I was so happy and I really wanted to buy a lot of things, but I couldn't. I bought few things, I think only 2. First thing I bought is this cute little bottle. Oh, this is so beautiful. It's a glass container, a cork lid, and it's really beautiful. I will keep my oil in this. This was for 40 Saudi Riyal. Not cheap though. Next I bought this beautiful coffee mug. Oh, look at this. This is so stunning. This was for 25 Saudi Riyal, but it's really pretty. Then I did a lot of local shopping. I'll show you what. Yeah, I bought this cute little bow. ये सेम मैंने बैंकॉक में भी देखे थे और मैंने वहाँ से नहीं लिया, बट मैंने यहाँ से ले लिया. They were just for like 5 Saudi Riyal, so I bought it. Next are these sticky notes क्योंकि मेरे खत्म हो गए थे flight से. And then is this cute little basket I bought. This was just for 5 Riyals, so I bought it. These bowls actually. Yeah, I bought crockery. Now I'm thinking how I'm gonna take this, but I bought it. These are like a set of 3 bowls. They're very beautiful. They are ceramic. So I bought these. They are actually very very pretty. They are very similar to the H&M ones. वहाँ पर भी H&M पे I think pink color या beige color में available है, and white में भी है I think. So I bought these. Nice, right? So the last thing I want to show that I bought is these ramen bowls. Actually, my best friend Ashima, who is currently staying with me, उसको ये ramen bowl चाहिए थे because she's like, we don't have ramen bowls, and I have really big bowls. So I bought these for her so that she can enjoy her ramen. I bought 2, so I have 1 more. Yeah, this is for her. That's all what I bought. I'm really tired right now and I have a lot of things to do. I have to pack all these things. Uniform ready karna hai, then I have to take shower. I'll eat something, I'll sleep for a while because हम लोग को 11 बजे निकलना है, and and we'll reach around 11:30 and our sign in is 12. Flight is at 1 or 1:15. So yeah, इतना जल्दी हम लोग को prepare करना पड़ता है flight के लिए. Then we have to do little documents अपने जितने भी international flight के. So now I'll pack, and I'm a little scared. I don't know how I'm gonna fit all these things in my small tote bag or in my trolley bag. Yeah, it was a pretty good layover. We enjoyed. हम coordination नहीं जा पाए because हम लोग को shopping में इतना ज़्यादा time हो गया. फिर हमारा visa card काम नहीं कर रहा था because they said they don't accept visa card, but Mall of Asia में they were accepting, but normal shops में they said we are not accepting. So we couldn't buy souvenirs because they said we need cash or otherwise पेमेंट नहीं हो पाएगा. So हम लोग के पास कैश नहीं था. फिर हमें ATM पे जाना पड़ा, ATM से निकाल के फिर से वापस से सब करना पड़ा शॉपिंग. So इसीलिए हम लोग को टाइम नहीं मिला कोऑर्डिनेशन के. But I think when I'll come next time, I'm surely going to visit because afternoon में it was really hot. और उन्होंने बोला कि अभी it's not a good time to go. It's really hot outside, so we couldn't. I was a little scared because I was not covering my head, but it was normal. They said no, now you can go. Otherwise, कुछ साल पहले Saudi was really strict, but now you can enjoy, and there are no restrictions as such. हम लोग को feel नहीं हुआ, but yeah, I really enjoyed. I really enjoyed. So whenever I think about Saudi, so it's like Arabian Nights, Aladdin and Jasmine, and but it was fun. It's my second time though. I've been to Dammam, but Jeddah is very different from Dammam. Yes, I totally agree on this. But yeah, I enjoyed. So now let's do some packing. Today I have this flight from Jeddah to Calicut again. From Calicut we have deadheading flight back to Bangalore. So we'll be reaching around 12 in the morning. It's like 12 hours pura. So यहाँ से Jeddah to Calicut is 6 hours. So it's a red-eye flight also, and I hope we'll manage. So yeah, now I'll go and do my packing.